Okay, students, you know that air is present around us. Okay, how do you feel that air is present around us? How do you feel? तुम्हें कैसे पता चलेगा कि एयर हमारे चारों तरफ प्रेजेंट है? Yes.
मैं फील होगा।
फील कैसे होगा?
लीव्स
हिलेंगी, राइट? मूवमेंट होगी किसी भी चीज की। तो सपोज अगर मैंने ये सपोज दिस इज माय फिस्ट, इनसाइड दिस फिस्ट air is present. Okay, this is an empty bottle, but inside this bottle also air is present. ठीक है, air is present everywhere, even in this glass also air is present. Okay, so let us do an activity which shows the presence of air. Okay, so for this we have to prepare a firki. Okay, how do you know? Can you know how can you prepare a firki? With a paper? Yes? Okay, I'll show you. For this we have to take a square sheet of paper. Okay, just fold it from all the corners. Okay, okay, now tear it from all the corners. Scale or scissors. This is how we can tear a paper. Okay, now fold the corners alternatively. Your firki is done. Okay, this is a firki. So let's put a gum here. Okay, this is your firki. This firki is moving.
Yes.
Okay. This firki is moving.
Yes.
Okay. When we blow air, okay, this firki is moving, right? So due to the presence of air, it is moving. Okay. Now this shows that air is present here. Now turn off the fan. So air is present around us. Okay, so today we will study about the air which is present around us. Okay, now in this bottle also air is present, and this air occupies the space inside the bottle. Okay, so how do we know that air is present in this bottle or air occupies space? This is the property of air, that air occupies space. Okay, so let us do an activity. Inside the bottle air is present which occupies the space, and as air occupies the space, then nothing will go inside this bottle. Okay, so this is a beaker filled with water. If I put this bottle inside this, then do you see water is going inside the bottle? पानी जा रहा है क्या bottle के अंदर? No, water is not going inside the bottle. Why? Because
अंदर एयर का प्रेशर है।
Because inside air.
Because inside the bottle air is present and this air occupies the space. जो इस बॉटल के अंदर खाली स्पेस है, it is occupied by the air. So this air doesn't allow the water to go inside the bottle. Okay, but if I tilt this bottle, then air goes out in the form of bubbles. Have you seen the bubbles? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So that air goes out and what bottle is filled with water. Okay, so this shows that air occupies the space. When this air goes out from the bottle, then this space is filled by the water. Okay, so this is the property that air occupies the space. Now, air. What is the composition of air? What is the composition of air? Air is a mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. Okay, so gas, or we can say air is made up of many gases. So let us study about the composition of air. Now, composition of air. Composition of air. Composition of air means what? कि हवा जो है वो एयर है, वो किस किस चीज से बनी हुई है. What is present inside the air? Okay, so let us study one by one. Number one, air. In the air, water vapor is present. Water vapor is present. Number two, oxygen is present. And how much oxygen? That is 21% of oxygen is present in the air. Number third, nitrogen 78% is present. Okay. Other gases 1%. In other gases we will study about the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas. Okay, other gases like argon, krypton, they are also present in the 1%. Okay, and fifth is smoke and dust particles. Okay, smoke and dust particles. So they all will form a composition of air. Okay, so in the air, water vapor, oxygen, nitrogen, other gases, and smoke and dust particles all are present. So how can you prove that water is present, water vapor is present in the air? For this also we will do an activity. For this activity I have taken a glass full of ice. Okay, ice is present. As air has a water vapor, air has a moisture in it. Have you seen how rainfall occurs? Rainfall कैसे होती है? कि when water evaporates and forms clouds. Okay, these clouds are formed, or when these clouds condenses or they cool down, they turn into these, suppose clouds are in the form of gases के form में होते हैं. So when they cool down, they changes into liquid, or we can say it forms a rain. Okay, and these clouds get cooled down by the process of condensation. This process is known as condensation. Condensation means it is the conversion of gases into liquid form. Okay, when gases changes into liquid, then this process is known as condensation. Okay, so similarly in this activity also, when the ice is present inside this glass, okay, suppose this is a steel glass. When the ice is present inside this glass, then the water inside is cold, but the air around this glass is warm, and this air contains moisture. Okay, this air contains the moisture. When this warm air comes in contact with the cold glass, okay, then these water vapors changes into the liquid form. Have you seen this? These are the vapors accumulated on the glass, okay, by the process of condensation. This shows that water vapors are present in the air. These water vapors get accumulated outside the surface of the glass. Okay, ठीक है, ये समझ में आया कि water vapors present होते हैं air में. We have done this activity by the process of condensation. These warm air condenses outside the warm water vapors get condenses outside the glass. Okay, so this is how we can prove that water vapor is present. Number second is oxygen. Oxygen is very necessary. ठीक है, so oxygen is very necessary for the living beings. We respire, we take in oxygen for respiration. Okay, we do respiration by taking in of oxygen. Okay, plants also do respiration. Okay, and also this oxygen is also helpful in combustion. Combustion means burning. Okay, combustion means burning. So when we burn anything, this needs oxygen. Without oxygen, combustion doesn't take place. कोई भी चीज without oxygen नहीं जलेगी. Okay, for burning, oxygen is very, very, very important. Okay, so for this also we will do an activity. Take 2 candles. Take 2 candles. They are burning. Okay. अब मैंने पहले बताया था कि this glass is filled with air. That means this air also has oxygen, right? Oxygen present होगी इस air में. So when I put this glass upside down on the candle, then it will burn for some time. But after some time, it gets extinguished. बुझ गई candle?
Yes.
Okay. ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Why this happened? Because inside the glass air is present which contains 21% of oxygen, right? Some quantity of oxygen is present. When I put the glass in the upside down position, then combustion taking place inside the glass. Then this combustion used the oxygen which is present inside the glass. Glass के अंदर जो oxygen थी, it is used up by the candle. ठीक है, by the burning candle. Then जो ऑक्सीजन है वो खत्म हो गई. Then खत्म हो गई तो क्या हुआ? वो बुझ गई. Because ऑक्सीजन supports burning. ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में ही कोई चीज बर्न करेगी. But this candle still burning. Why? Because it is taking the oxygen from the surrounding. Right? So this experiment shows that oxygen is necessary for combustion or oxygen is necessary for burning. Okay, got it? Now next is nitrogen, which is present in highest amount. सबसे ज्यादा अमाउंट में कौन सी है कंपोनेंट? नाइट्रोजन. ओके, which is 78%. Okay, so this nitrogen is very useful for the plants. present. Also inside our body oxygen is present. Okay, so nitrogen is also a very important component of air. Okay, next is other gases. In other gases we will study about the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, in carbon dioxide gas, this gas, as we know that oxygen supports burning, oxygen जो है वो ऑक्सीजन बर्निंग को सपोर्ट करती है, whereas जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है it helps in extinguishing of fire. Carbon dioxide helps in extinguishing of fire. आग को बुझाने में मदद करती है. When we blow the candle, then क्या होगा, वो बुझ जाएगी, बिकॉज हमारे मुंह से ज्यादा अमाउंट में क्या निकल रहा है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, ये देखो जैसे ही इसको फूंक मारूंगी बुझ गई. वाई? बिकॉज ज्यादा अमाउंट में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमारे मुंह से निकला. ओके, ऑल्सो वी हैव सीन द फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स. हमने फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स देखे होंगे which are red color cylinders. Red colored cylinders. These are known as fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers, which are filled with carbon dioxide gas, जो कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस से भरे होते हैं. When something starts burning, जो हमने नहीं जलाई आग, अगर वो आग लगती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर को ओपन करके कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल एस्केप आउट फ्रॉम दीज सिलेंडर्स एंड एक्सटिंग्विश द फायर. फायर को एक्सटिंग्विश कर देगी. राइट? सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हेल्प्स इन एक्सटिंग्विशिंग ऑफ फायर. देन लास्ट इज स्मोक एंड डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. व्हेन वी बर्न एनीथिंग देन इट विल प्रोड्यूस अ स्मोक व्हिच गोज इन द एयर. ओके, एंड आल्सो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. व्हेन एयर, जब हवा चलती है तो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स भी उड़ता है. So it is also present inside the air. So for this, suppose एक when in a dark room, एक विंडो है, अगर उस विंडो से अगर सनलाइट आ रही है तो have you seen कि उस सनलाइट में काफी सारे छोटे छोटे डस्ट पार्टिकल सस्पेंडेड होते हैं. ओके, कैसे होता है? दिस इज अ विंडो. इस विंडो से क्या होगा, सूरज की जब रोशनी आती है, you will see many suspended particles are present. Okay, so these are the dust particles. And also in the chimneys of the factory you will see a smoke is coming out. Okay, chimneys जो होती हैं, जो फैक्ट्रीज में होती हैं, from this also smoke is coming out and this smoke will mixes with the air. So this also forms the composition of air. So what is the composition of air? Water vapor, oxygen, nitrogen, other gases, smoke and dust particles. So this is the composition of air. So air is made up of all these components. Okay, understood? Activity समझ में आई?